Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to do bash reprojecting, right? Good, or changing of coordinate systems of your vector dataset. So we have about 3 shape files here, of which we want to change their coordinate reference systems, right? Good. So let's confirm what it is now. So when you come down to source under the layer properties, you are going to see that the geographic CRS is GCS WGS 1984, right? Good. Which means it's actually what a geographic coordinate reference system at the moment, right? Good. So it's similar for the other two. What we want to do now is I want to change this to what to projected, and we want to change the 3 at the same time, right? Good. So we come down to search, and then we search for project, right? Enter. Now under the project, you can, if maybe you just have one, you can use this project under data management to project your spatial data from one coordinate system to another, right? Good. That's if you just have one. The workflow is similar. The input, you just put one of them. Good. You can see automatically the CRS has been indicated. Then you can see what the output data set were likely to be the directory, right? Good. Then the output CRS projected. You scroll down. We are using UTM, right? Good. WGS 1984. Northern Hemisphere. Then we come up to zone 32. Okay. No need to double click. Okay, right. Good. So when you are done with all of these, you can just click on OK. If you have a single data, you want to change the coordinate reference system, right? Good. So you just click on OK. However, on today's tutorial, we are changing the 3 at the same time. Yours can be 3, 5, whatever the case is. So the next one is what? The batch project, right? Good. So you click on that. Now, this batch project changes the coordinate system of a set of input feature classes, right? Good. Or feature data sets to a common coordinate system. A set, right? Good. A set, not just single. So for us to achieve that, we see what the input feature class or data set. We click on this browse. So we have done the folder connection, and then remember we said we need these 3, right? Good. So we can just select them. Add. So we have what are 3 data sets that we want to change the CRS, right? Good. Now the output workspace is just like a folder where you want to output what the projected the projected data sets, right? Good. So we called it projected, right? Good. So add. Now the output coordinate system, which is actually very important to us. It's not really optional for us. So we still come down to projected. We come down to UTM, right? Good. WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere. Then we look out for zone 32. Okay. The template can be optional. Transformation can be optional. So you see that the process is actually similar to that of the singular, but the tools to use are not completely the same, right? Good. This is batch project. Then for the single, it's what's project alone, right? So let's click on OK. Good. So we have what a success report here. We are going to just confirm something for Farga. We can still see GCS WGS 1984. Similarly for Asaga, we can still see similar stuff, right? Good. So I'm going to take all of these out. So I will now import the projected data sets, right? Good. So this is the folder projected. I can easily select the shape files, then drag and drop, right? So this is another way to load your data on GIS. You can use it for ArcGIS, QGIS, and even Global Mapper, right? Good. So if all the files are on the same folder, especially for your shape file that does not just work as a single file, you can just select the file, the SHP file, and then drag and drop, right? Good. So it only works when all of them are on the same folder, just like we have here. So we just drag and then we drop. So we now have what are 3 data sets on our workspace. So to confirm if what we have done is okay, we can just see that the projected CRS is out. That's the projected coordinate system. You can see WGS 1984 UTM zone 32 north, right? Good. So this is what we have achieved. And now the extent, we didn't show you on the other one. You can just rewind. You now see we have top in meters, left, right, and bottom in meters, right? Good. However, on the other one, we were just having 7 point something. That shows what the latitude and the longitude, right? Good. So this shows that we have successfully changed the projection, or we have actually reprojected our data set from one projection to the other, of which we moved from geographic to projected. You can see that for Obiakpo. Then finally for Farga, you can also see the same thing, right? Good. So we don't have only the geographic, we now have the projected, which we did not have earlier. So thanks for coming to class. We hope we have provided solution to this particular surveying or GIS related problem on how to do batch conversion, or maybe changing the projection of multiple data sets at the same time. So we are going to see you on the next video. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.